Welcome back to another plant unboxing. However, it has turned out to be a plant in session segment also because of my poor reaction toward this unboxing in the first place. Now, stick around toward the end because they did send me a replacement plant, and we can wrap up with knowing a few strategies on how to handle an unexpected unboxing. So let's find out what exactly happened.
Look, is it weird that I'm hugging a box? I don't think it's weird that I'm hugging a box. I'm happy about this box. I ordered a Monstera Adansonii from Bloomscape, and I'm super excited to open this box. Can you tell? I'm hugging a plant box. Because if that's not weird enough, right? Does that count me as a plant hugger? Tree hugger? I don't really know. But either way, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm the ADHD gardener, where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of therapy. That's my cat Moscato. In case you haven't seen him, here he is. He loves cardboard boxes, and I think he thinks he's a dog. I'm not gonna front. I always wanted this plant for this year, but I wanted to make sure that my houseplant skills were in order, you know, and they've been improving and whatnot, and they have. So, oh, there he goes. And they have, so we're gonna open up this box. They really put some lining in here. Okay, I'm assuming that we can just pull from here. See, that makes it easier. Okay, woo! So, okay, let's do it. Let's open the box, Jack. By the way, this is how I'm gonna show you this. Look. I don't know if y'all can see the real full scope of this. It looks like it's been through the ringer. I don't know how I feel about that. I was being hopeful because I spent $65 on this, and however, it has been mad cold in Pennsylvania. You gotta understand, when plants come in the mail, you can or may have, you know, like a leaf or two that falls off, or, you know, like a branch, not a branch, a stem snapping or something. I can understand that. But this, bruh, I don't. This is looking mad freaking wilted. This the stems are like super soft. I know I can bring it back, but I don't know how far gone is it. Only time will tell if it ever does bounce back or not. I'm pissed. I mean, I don't know how else to say that. How can I say that nicely? I mean, can I say that nicely? Yo, let me tell you, off camera, I'd be pissed. I'd be not a happy camper, and I'm sure I would definitely not be this nice. I'll tell you that. Look who's in the box, though. It has been ridiculously freaking cold over here in PA. It's been like 27, 25 degrees and whatnots and for like the past 2-3 days. So I'm assuming this obviously got jacked up in shipping. This just says UPS ground. Look at this soft ass leaf. Now I'm thinking that this has to do with the cold. It has to be with the cold. Like that insulation was not cutting it. This is a tropical plant. This kind of plant is from Central and South America. So these need warm heat, and I don't know what the hell happened here. So if they don't compensate for me, I'm gonna call them up, I'm gonna email them. I don't know what I had to do, but I'm gonna tell them about this and see what happens and see where I get from this. Because, bro, yo, it looks sad. It looks hurt. Look at that. Me going on a tirade is not gonna help any at all. And I'm sure my attitude is showing, I'm sure of it. But, hello, I'm learning, aren't I, about therapy through multiple years of therapy sessions, okay? I am learning to not react, and I'm working on my anger issues, obviously, through therapy. So there is a lesson to learn from this plant. One, I can't always expect perfection every time. Having perfect things all the time is just unrealistic. It really is. And we have to learn and understand that not everything is going to be perfect. Not everything is going to be peaches and sunshine and roses and all that. It's not going to be like that. Second one, deep breathe. Deep breathe. Deep breaths in. At least 3 to 5 deep breaths. And I know it sounds weird. Trust me, I've said that too. I said that crap doesn't work, but it helps. It helps calm down those initial intense emotions that you feel. I get a flood of anger when it comes inside. So we are going to take this opportunity to deep breathe and control and maintain our anger levels or frustration levels. Third is, if nothing can be done about this plant, we learn that we will just never, instead of fighting or going back and forth about things, that was my cat. Instead of fighting or going back and forth with these things, we have to learn to accept it and just never buy from them again. And maybe leave them a bad review. I mean, that's not technically that bad because I am reviewing this anyway, so this is gonna be all on YouTube regardless. There's always something to be learned from an experience like this. This is my first sad experience with a box. And, oh man, at least this was a learning lesson for both of us, for all of us. I am learning about how plants can help and, benefit my life. So there is a life lesson. There's multiple life lessons to be learned from this. So I can't take this completely away, but yo.
2 weeks later.
Okay, this is what happened. In the following weeks, I think it was a few weeks or so, they sent me another plant and it is doing, it is a lot better. But let's go over what happened, okay? The original plant that you saw in the unboxing is this one. It did not do so hot, as you can see. It's alive, but it's holding on, struggling like crazy. I would not be happy with this. But it's still alive, and I can kind of keep plants alive, You know how long this would take to come back from its death? And I still don't even know, because every time, as you can see, I'm still getting leaves. So that is the first one. I did keep that, I was gonna throw it out because I was so pissed off, but okay, this is the plant that they sent me the second time, all right? I had a video for this, I had it unboxing and all that crap, but my brain is so scrambled that I can't find that video. So that's my fault. But then, I'm not gonna front though, I look way better in this video than I did the other one because I was just impulsive and I just opened it in my pajamas. So that kind of worked out. I really like this one. This one did a lot better. They redeemed themselves. However, oh, and I do like the pot. It's really cute pot, and it comes with a saucer. Would I buy this again? Probably not. I would not buy this again. I would not take the chance again. I found out that this Adansonii is super temperamental and does not like the cold, does not like the dryness, doesn't like anything. It has to have some really nice, good temperatures. So I want to say, this is a good plant. The one that they sent me this time, it's really nice. It really is. However, would I go through that again? Probably not. I probably wouldn't. But then again, it also could have been partially my fault because when I ordered this, it was in mid-December and it was totally cold in PA. And despite them wrapping it and whatnot, it did not survive the winter. I mean, as you can see here, I basically don't care about this, but I got the pot, so that worked out. But this one is going good. This one's surviving. So I'm happy about this one. So it is surviving. It's looking really good. I'm happy about it because I get to have 2 Addisonized now. I bought one from the nursery that I was eyeballing like crazy, and I got this one too. So I'm happy. Bloomscape, you redeemed yourself. You got that. You have to watch some temperatures, because if you're ordering a plant that's highly sensitive to heat, then whew, you gotta be careful, especially you live all the way up north and it's crazy. Pennsylvania, the weather changes just like my moods. You never know when it's gonna happen. One day it's cold, one day it's hot, but the week that I ordered this, when it came, it was like super cold. So that was my fault, partially. But then again, I wanna say that Bloomscape should come up with a different way of warming up or keeping their plants warm. Maybe some heat packs, that would be awesome, or something. You know, you would have to charge extra for these heat packs, but still, you won't have to go through, you won't have to go through this. But this one survived, this one is redeemed, so good job, Bloomscape. I have a mean streak, and it's real, but this is why this is why I have a lot of plants, because it keeps me level and it keeps me chill. I'm just being me. This is just who I am. So sorry, not sorry. Don't forget, next week I'm gonna be talking about my greenhouse, that huge greenhouse that I've been building. If you've been watching or keeping up with me on my Instagram or Facebook, I have a greenhouse that I built indoors inside of my house, and I put it in my dining room to house all of these plants that I've been ordering and going to greenhouses and ordering and buying and everywhere. So it's gonna be fun. I can't wait to show you my greenhouse. It's super exciting, so check that out next week. And thanks for chilling with me and my plants. If you wanna show your appreciation and your support for me, don't forget to smash that like button. It does wonders for the YouTube algorithm. I know there's an algorithm, go figure. Anyway, thanks for chilling with me and my plants as usual, and I will catch you guys next week on the flip side. Bye.